Car wash apps have grown in popularity over the years because they offer convenience, flexibility, and efficiency for both customers and business owners. Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video where we're diving into the exciting world of app development. Whether you're a business owner or an aspiring developer, this video will help you understand the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, any successful car wash app should have these essential features. Booking system. Allow your customers to book a car wash at their convenience. Service packages. List different packages with pricing so users can choose what fits their needs. Payment gateway integration. Secure multiple payment methods for easy transactions. Real-time notifications. Keep your customers updated with reminders, confirmations, and status updates. GPS tracking. Enable users to track where their car is during the wash or show mobile car wash services nearby. Now, let's talk about the technical side of things. You can either develop your app for a specific platform, like iOS or Android, or you can build a cross-platform app using frameworks like Flutter or React Native. Building an app is one thing, but making money from it is a whole different ballgame. Here are some monetization strategies for your car wash app. Subscription plans. Offer users the option to subscribe for premium services or monthly car wash packages. In-app ads. Partner with local businesses or car care brands to display ads inside your app. Referral programs. Encourage users to refer your app to their friends for special discounts or rewards. So there you have it, a complete overview of building your car wash app. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, don't hesitate to contact TechGropse for all your app development needs. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you next time.